all going back now.
You recording?
Yeah. Look at this. I ain't never seen them do this out here. Looks like let's all get in this tree.
I want to set off a firecracker.
Wait till they come up now.
Wow.
Unreal.
Still
Thanks
magnolias.
for the show, guys.
Still magnolias, right?
Look at them.
They're going right back.
Wow.
Yeah.
What the heck?
They're all drunk.
You been at Muldoon?
Listen to their wings.
I know.
This is amazing.
It is. Unbelievable.
What the fuck are they doing, bro?
No.
Wow.
I have never seen them
Look at
do
them all
this.
over there to the left.
God.
Oh my god.
Look at this. They're all in the pine tree.
This is unfucking real.
Isn't it? Look at that.
Look at Stucky,
Wow.
bro. His eye, look at him. Look at him. He's like, what the? He's like, come here.
He goes, don't leave me out here with them. They might pick me up and take me away.
Now they're all over at Eric's tree.
Oh yeah. What is drawing them, I wonder? Unreal. Look at this.
Is this grandmother's presents?
I don't know. She hates birds.
Maybe that's why she came back as one.
They're all over there now.
Unreal. I ain't never seen this many do this here before. Now here they go back to this tree.
They must be stopping on their way by or something, you know?
Look at this.
Look at them all over there. Here they come over here. Look at them. Look at them. Look, 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 look.
Oh yeah.
Holy
Wow.
What the hell?
We might have to send this to Granddaddy. Unbelievable.
shit. Dude, come over here. And you're missing them all, bro.
No, I'm not missing them all.
I cannot believe how many of them there
They're
are.
all over there, yo. They look like bats, don't they?
Yeah,
Unfucking real, bro.
it is. I've never seen them do that.
Unfucking real.
Maybe at the beach when you got food.
Look how they all come by in one big swoop. Look at that shit.
Unreal.
Now they're over there, look. In that tree over
I
there.
see 'em. In the black guy's yard.
Yeah. Here they come over here now.
Yep. Unbelievable.
Wow.
Look at that. Here they all come back.
There's gonna be bird
What
crap
are
all
they
over the
doing?
place.
Right over our heads.
Wow.
Uh-oh. Oh my god, dude. This is fucking unreal.
It is like the birds. Like Alfred Hitchcock.
Oh, these motherfuckers start swooping down at me, I'm going inside. See them over there in that tree way over there now?
Look at right here. They're all sitting in that tree.
And they should be going up here in any minute.
Yep.
Yeah, look at them all.
Look over there. There they
There
go.
they go.
All at the same time they do it.
Isn't that weird?
Look at how many of them are over there.
Yeah, there's a lot of them over there. And they're coming back here? Nope, they're staying over there. What's going on, buddy?
Wow.
What is he doing with all the birds, huh?
He's a fucking hawk. I'm surprised he ain't out here attacking them.
Maybe that's why they're doing this.